4 years ago, this was a barren hillside waiting to be a mudslide. It was previously a high jungle like it is right there. That should never have been cut. But it was cut to plant corn. If you try to walk down this, you would fall very quickly, all the way to the bottom of the river valley. This land has no business being cultivated and farmed. It belongs in trees. And so we replanted it in a mix of trees. Some that grow fast, some that grow slow. And today, not a piece of dirt has slid, has fallen. It gives home to many creatures and is useful soil. It is used as it should be used for. It's not a large piece of land, maybe an acre. But by little, we can restore the masterpiece of our Lord.